Welcome to the story of Troy, a city where history and legend meet. Troy was an ancient city located in modern-day Turkey. It's famous for the Trojan War, a legendary battle told in Greek mythology. But Troy was more than just a myth. It was a real city, built and rebuilt many times over thousands of years. The first people settled in Troy around 3600 BC. Over time, the city grew strong, with big stone walls and rich trade. Archaeologists found 9 layers of cities, each built on top of the last. These layers are named Troy 1 to Troy 9. Troy 2 was wealthy. It had treasures made of amber and colorful stones, showing trade with faraway lands. Later, during the Bronze Age, Troy was known as Walusa and was part of the Hittite Empire. Troy 6 and 7 were large cities with strong defenses. Some parts matched the story in Homer's Iliad, like the gates and towers. Troy 7a shows signs of fire and destruction, maybe from a real war. Greek and Roman people later built temples and theaters on the site. They believed Troy was sacred because of its mythic past. Today, Troy is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can walk among its ruins and imagine the stories that once echoed through its walls. Troy reminds us how myth and history can live together, inspiring generations across time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the ancient World Heritage Sites.